No, you're on my team. Come over here. I've been over on that side for like the whole time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so come over.
Alright then, man. Talk to Jeff. Just a second here. Are you ready?
I don't know. Are we ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
We are ready.
Hold on a minute.
Alright. So what should we do, guys? Hello? Are you guys ready? So what are we gonna do? The only thing we can do is like swan. Alright.
I don't know how to play this. I forgot.
Alright, so what should we do?
Oh my god! My gate! Something's not right here. My gate is broken. Okay, guys, no one can use the other gate anymore. It's broken.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's sort of broken. Yeah, it's sort of like,
Sam's dead, you guys.
Oh.
I'm dead.
I got you in the back.
A back's a kill now? Then I should have killed so many more people.
It's part of the chest. Well, not the chest, but...
You didn't realize the back's broken. Okay, let's just give Sam another chance, because he didn't really shoot much.
I killed him.
No, you didn't really kill him, like, you didn't really hit him.
Give me on the side.
He's down. 1, 2.
He's up one tree, by the way.
Fine, he's down. Let's just play like this, because, like, I don't really want, like...
Oh, Ryan, that hit you in the arm.
You down.
Good.
Wow, that bullet didn't fire.
What the hell? He caught my bullet.
Okay, no more cheating. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch
Watch out, Nick. No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are. If you get hit in the gut, you're dead.
You're down.
No, I did not.
Now you're dead, definitely. He goes hard time.
I'm dead. You're the only one left. Except for Nick, you're left. I'm dead.
Oh, I'm down. Oh, that one caught me.
Jackie, are you alive?
Yeah.
Come on, Jackie.
Dead here, dead.
I like ricochet.
Hey, look at me, I'm wearing an X.
This goes through the fence, man.
Are you Pearson?
Oh,
Don't gas Sam.
Huh?
Are you still alive?
No.
Oh.
7, 6.
No, don't do that. That'll be good.
I was accidentally, because I didn't know, like, it was the 6 already.
That was like a hair shot, man. My hair.
Hair shots kill.
Hair shots don't kill. My hair is like half my head.
My hair has half of my head when I flip my head.
When you flip her head.
Is the game over?
I was kind of dodging. It was like, whoa.
Ryan, is the game over?
I'm not sure. I think Nick and Jeff are still out over there.
Alright, Jackie, you shot me, right?
Is the game over, Sam?
No, Nick's still after Jeff.
Did Nick climb the fence?
Yeah.
We can't do that. No, we can't do that anymore.
Too bad. Jeff has to do it to live.
Jeff.
Well, too bad. You can't do that anymore.
Don't. That's my dirt.
Yeah, those darts actually whistle as they fly through the air, you know.
Now we're just waiting for Nick. This video is taking 6 minutes long. That's a long one.
Jackie, you killed me.
Yeah. I like hit your leg through the tree because you're just like sticking out there.
I know, but then you hit me in the gun the next time. I thought it hit me in the arm, and I'm like, oh wait, hit me in the gun.
Go, Nick.
Yeah, I'm
Then I shot Josh, and then I shot.
Yeah,
I use our tactic earlier with Brett actually.
Hey!
Hey.
Give my gun back. No!
Oh man.
I can't say nothing, stop saying nothing.
Watch out, Nick.
This is hey, dead people don't talk. No.
I own you. Yeah, you can just down and we're gonna give him the top of his head.
It was a hair shot. It was a bullet. It wouldn't have killed. And then Nick is like over there.
Don't shoot yet, Nick.
Yeah, then Nick,
He has 3 clips. You're not gonna outlast 3 clips. Keep on shooting.
Run, Nick, run. Pick up ammo while you go, and then hide and then reload.
It is fun. There's an epic battle going on where you're like sitting here relaxing.
Oh, that went off my gun, didn't it?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, that got me.
Ah, that's too bad.
Oh, you dead?
Yeah.